Hello everyone, this is going to be the last video for today's lecture. In this video, I'll be going through the concept of Boolean indexing by covering a few examples for it. Let me go ahead and create a new pandas series from a list of integer items, which I'm going to have as 10, 2, 3 and 15. Let me go ahead and display S over here. The question below here is asking how to extract all the numbers which are greater than 8. If we were dealing with a regular Python list, then we'll have to write a for loop in order to be able to answer this question, correct? We'll have to iterate over each item and check if each item is greater than 8 and add that item to a new list or do some processing with it if it is greater than 8. Then you move on to the next item and perform the same check again. Since we have a pandas series, it's going to be much simpler to be able to answer this question. Let me show you how. I can do that by creating a new pandas series out of a list of Boolean values. I'm going to add a Boolean value of true corresponding to the item which has value greater than 8. So I'm going to say true for 10 and I'm going to say false for 2, false for 3 and true for 15. Then I can apply the Boolean series B onto my integer series S by simply saying S of B. That's now going to filter my original series based on applying this Boolean series, and you'll only get the values which are greater than 8 and the corresponding indexes. There is a simpler way of doing this than manually defining this Boolean series. Let me show you how. Let me go ahead and display the series S over here so that we can use that for comparison. Recall that you can apply element-wise operation for any comparison operator. So I can just say S greater than 8. That's just simply going to give me a Boolean series as the outcome, right? I could just capture that into a variable called B, and now I can say S of B. I no longer have to manually define a Boolean series in order to be able to answer this question. Let's simplify the expression even better. So I can say S of S greater than 8 instead of using a variable called B. So I'm applying an element-wise comparison operator in order to filter out some values from my original series. Recall that you can mention complicated expressions within the square bracket of a pandas series. This is kind of an equivalent of saying we are creating this Boolean series inside the lookup square bracket over here. Both of these are going to give the same result for you. Let me show you one more example, and this time I want to use a list of strings. I'm going to call my series variable as words, and I'm going to say pd dot series of a list of words. Let me add the first word as apple, second word as boy, and third word as cat, and fourth word as dog. If this example looks very familiar to you, that's because we went through a similar example when we covered method calls on list data structure. I have a series of words here. Let's say that I want to convert each of these strings into all uppercase characters. Can I do that by simply saying words.upper? That will not really work because upper is a method call which is specifically applicable to string sequence, right? So instead you can say words.str.upper, and that's going to enable you to convert each of those series values into all upper cases. Let's say that I want to perform some Boolean indexing in my original series words here, and I want to extract all the strings which only have all caps letter casing here. So I showed you how you can convert an entire series into all upper cases, and we also have the original series variable which is words here. How can you put both of these together? By combining both of those using a comparison operator. Recall that you can just use a double equal to operator to compare two different objects. So I'm going to simply say whether words is equal to words dot str dot upper, and I could capture the result of this comparison into a Boolean variable called b, and I can see that we are getting a value of true for the first string, false for the next, true for the third, and false for the fourth, and so on. So I could simply say words of b in order to apply the Boolean indexing, or I could also say words of the complicated expression here being the comparison between words and words dot str dot upper. Let's go through one more example here. I'm going to create one more series of integer values, and let me have the values as 10, 19, 11, 30 and 35, and I want to be able to find only the odd numbers from this list. Recall that you can use the modulo operator and find the remainder of the division operation when you divide the value by 2. So that's going to give you a result of 0 or 1 depending on whether you have an even number or an odd number. You can simply create a Boolean series by checking s mod 2 equal to 1, and I could capture that into a variable called b. Let me go ahead and display b over here. Notice that you're getting true only for odd numbered values from the original series. So now I can go ahead and apply s of b, or I could also say s of s mod 2 equal to 1, and you'll be able to retrieve just the odd values. Let's go through Boolean operators as the last example for today's lecture. The next question is asking, how do we get the numbers less than 12 or numbers greater than 33? Let me go ahead and display s one more time over here. So can I just say s of s lesser than 12 or s greater than 33 to be able to answer this question? Unfortunately, that's not going to work. That's because even though pandas series is able to override many of the regular mathematical operators, the Python creators did not permit them to override the logical operator of OR. So instead, they figured out an alternate of using the vertical separator. So instead of saying OR, I could say vertical separator, which represents OR. This again would fail by saying that you have an incorrect precedence. That's because OR has a higher precedence than the comparison operator over here. So this again is not going to work. This is kind of like saying s of s less than 12 or s where 12 and s are within the parenthesis. That's not really what you meant, right? So this is an error because precedence of or is so high. So you need to use a lot of parentheses. So use a lot of parentheses when it comes to using Boolean operators within pandas series. So let me go ahead and copy paste this example down here. Instead of the parenthesis within the OR operator here, now I'm going to include the comparison operator within a parenthesis on its own. Right, so let me go ahead and print S so that you can compare both of those here. So that's the original series, and now we are applying this Boolean operator or in order to filter out the values in the series which are less than 12 and greater than 33 over here. Right, let's go through an example for and not. So instead of saying S less than 12 and S greater than 33, I could say S greater than 12 and S lesser than 33, and I can switch the and to or. Both are equivalent, and you're now going to actually, sorry, I was a little bit stuck there. Both of them are not equivalent. Now we want to get the values of S greater than 12 and lesser than 33 at the same time. So now you're going to only get the values of 19 and 35 because all other values do not satisfy this Boolean AND condition over here. So let me give you one more example where I perform the not operator. Let's say that I want to not the first condition over here, and I'm going to say not of S greater than 12 and of S lesser than lesser than 33, and that's now going to give me a different outcome because I just added a not in front of my first condition over here. All right, I'll wrap up this lecture here.